here walking along the waterfront. And, right here we got mangrove growing. So mangrove fruit. Mangroves play a very important part, here we go, in keeping our shoreline intact. And, step down here, I see a dead animal. This is a horseshoe crab, and it got rolled over, so it's dead now. That's what they look like when they're, this is the top of them right here. I think those are the eyes here and here. That's what the crab looks like when it's staring up at you. It's definitely dead. Got rolled over and eventually couldn't breathe. Look at the tails these guys got. Try to lift it up here without breaking it off. That's the tail. They could actually stick you with that. It's rigid. It's a form of defense. So that's the horseshoe crab. Said it's sad, it's died, but we're gonna send them out to sea, and this carcass will feed some other animals and fish. Thanks for watching. A tidbit of information. Florida History Hunter. We're in Scottsmore today, hopefully awaiting the launch of the big heavy rocket. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe, click that like button, tell your friends. Have a great day.